Welcome to Lalan Weight Loss Channel. Discover 10 easy routines while the holidays to lose weight in this video. But before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Let's go. 1. Walking. Walking makes us slimmer. Without too much effort, the body eliminates waste, burns calories and is better off. It has been proven that 10,000 steps correspond to 7 kilometers walked and 215 kilocalories lost. Let's just walk. 2. Looking after children. Between changing nappies, crying tantrums and not really knowing what they need, looking after children is a stressful enough activity to wear you down. 3. Shopping at the market or supermarket. When you have a list of things to buy, walking distances between shops, searching and then finding and queuing to pay are all simple steps in our daily lives that are full of effort and we don't realize how they affect our weight loss. 4. Dancing. Dancing, whether in a club, at a class or in a disco, is a great and fun way to lose weight. It also makes you happy. Do I need to tell you again that this is an activity not to be missed? 5. Going to a concert without seats. Like dancing, going to a concert that you have voluntarily chosen and that takes place without seats, is bound to make you move. Indeed, choosing to go to a concert implies that you have an affection for the artist or at least for his or her music. And moving will do you good. 6. Reflecting. Reflecting and exercising your neurons burns fat. This is because when you start to think, your body takes in energy and sugars to fuel the movements your brain makes. So taking time out to think about things will help you burn some calories. 7. Cleaning the house. Cleaning is not an easy activity. Between windows or glass, floors to sweep, tiles to clean, mirrors to clean, cobwebs to remove, showers to wash, plates to wash and put away, there are enough calories to eliminate. 8. Tidy up your belongings. Tidy up your belongings and your house after cleaning, put things back in their place. Tidying up furniture, clothes, plates and personal belongings is an uninteresting but necessary activity for our well-being and now for our bodies. 9. Eating natural foods. Eating natural food is known to be slimming, and yes, when you make a habit of drinking lukewarm water, green tea, lemon water, eating mangoes, vegetables, fruits, you give your body enough weapons to eliminate the excess fat. 10. Arguing. Arguing about things disturbs your peace, raises your blood pressure, heart rate, increases your energy consumption and therefore reduces your calories. Bonus, lovemaking requires energy expenditure. It also releases feel-good hormones that make you feel happy. Lovemaking wears you down and makes you feel happy and loses weight. So love yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Welcome to